Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kini kilong khobor kong san mantakasngi u Presiden ke Voice People Party u Bah Ardent Miller Basaiawmoit mantakasngi u lapun menaban sedang na takjing sa thngan baklam upar kamal khyrdop Secretariat na duk fly tarik untuk nai ban sedang yakni u Bah Ardent Miller Basaiawmoit oleh itu Badir MLA kanong kram lapun melakum sibantaban persa jing kantai jang sakadala banyak thir ban pembet yak bahatung kam tungjam lani khyrdop vision policy Bah Ardent ulakran hadin bakini lam go wipi kalmi jendat no nakajing lang jang sing sai mathai balakat dak sakadala banyak kran halo gajim penterkam yak rusa system.
Our leaders, they staged a walkout, okay, from that meeting, because as a party we have decided that if the government is not willing to discuss on reservation policy, we will not be part of that committee. So therefore our leaders staged out since the government is declining to discuss on the reservation policy. And in today's meeting we have decided that we will start our agitational program in which we will start with an indefinite hunger strike from the 23rd. It will be a lone hunger strike where the president of the party will sit and start the indefinite hunger strike on the 23rd as a mark of protest and as a continuation to the agitation of the party.
So the
demand will be that the government needs to review the reservation policy. What is the point of constituting an expert committee to discuss on roster? We know what is roster. You can fool some of the people but not the leaders of the Voice of the People party.
Even the CM had urged you, the VP not to make commitment to the people of the state.
That is the version of the Chief Minister. It was his dream. We never, right from the day one, we have clearly mentioned that our issue is not against our Garo brothers and sisters. So where is the question of communal? They are instigating our Garo brothers and sisters to fight against us. They are instigating the government, the MLAs who are part of the MDA government.